nyami kacha follow be kala minti wala ado ngamini ke fo gambele mbon ko afrika le right anu first memin follow kacha la wala traditional practice ngalo ne siatal arol be siare ne anu amanke ko ibele harmful da wala ibele jawyata anu hani min yalon ko fo sayenge tam ko arol le mi yalon ko jawyata le follow no mol ka tele e kamera ko ama mantora nadina maybe because lobitanol monsoto wala jama se mantoro ko fo natna moya bari talo nako yin arakare wala yatina yin mantoro kira amola bari fanan nyanta jibele le fanan follow to no harama dum follow fanan baro la bambon Kenya anin sai e man kilia tani mo nyanta jibele mun yatina sainten kuma kawal ka findi ka foko yin ado be mantoro nati kanne nimbe mu kollete mi alon ko nyanta ke jibeje sainina hamol ko anga aro la ko kacha a importanta ba kala pour nga fo mune fo mo aroti aro se atale anu ngambe janjama ja aro min alon ko aforiata ba ka mol ka minke nsa fo manyo bito bijele kodi ke wala nyaaka to ta bijele sun kutundi wala sunna to ta bijele timiso bijele datul so bijele ni ngani adol be safi samina jibele le nana ta loptano la bundado ada jamale bije mi yalon ko nsake no andanga man toro nate dan mokan kodi karyalo mo man sigena ya foko anga manyo bito bondi mo jamale kake adol anun adol faratale kado mebi jolal bela manyo bito kala nyami wala surwa ba kala nyami wala man ko ba kala nyami aban kiliya bar adol mi yalon ko mol sondala ena ya foko aro mi alon ko maybe mel sa comme si momangul ya foko al nga bay kado nana ta hanilo tanalo bundado itol fo yena faale jeje fana wala atna lo tan bunna man finde ka foko al nga bay bar nana ta timi soda wala ke dat roso I think ni mo kulati mi alon ko aro mo jamal biye ka kenu kado kule mi alon ko aka muso ni nyande la kili bal dol fana ya jelo ko aka yele kudungol fana bondi timo kono kodi bari nata jël ko kula mi yalon ko aka musodol mantorale kala ndol fo sa foyo ko maybe na e tili dantan tili I cannot remember ka tido min foye na man kende ya aka commence la ka fiyo bondi and wo fiyo nyim fana infection on atena bari fana e ka timo so da me ka so nyalele do bi e ka ben yare ka ben ngol leta e dol ka battery fi ngol leta dol ka fendo leta ka laaje so wol maybe mol mala ka mum mantora sifal na tan harama dungo bala nana tan jara kende ala bundaro saynata diamo findinde ka foko alngam fonyo kake katun jama maybe benno min tala yini mo kadu so ise dota ya so iba la sa courant mi alon ko aka sawun ni yelola na bi ni nola ni nyunti mo so yedo ti mo so asa sawuno wonda fanana kodi nana nan ko dinni wala ti mo ka so ngani ja iyo so ngani ngo bijele benno ngo fana bije bari nyimbe mu kulati mi ko yalla ni aso ika yela kuro mi bondi symphony o tani aso ngoro bara yake ika kule yanda kula nyame bari yale batala yena yake dola sayna to wala nata ngana ara do fana nje mi ko dinni o iko ni dinni o tara foyaje ko say abala ku yatale yadi ya fil ko asita futu wala yadi pour ayta futu kodi bari nataje ko woketa kuleti mi alon ko asa dinni wol man torano katon killing aske dinni ngene mbula kam prayata futu asufol mam bambam folo mi alon ko asina jata ken ya bundado ase problème nata enanno do fane biye mi alon ko dinni mi alon ko amam men folo sa ngaje ko ni dinni wala kalon disturb ko le mi alon ko ase circle of poverty continue no katon ni mo mi alon ko ngaje ko mo mi alon ko amankara yadi hata futu wala akamuto ko mari nyanta depend lale jama bala akema bala kodi so dinni oni man last no mi alon ko atasa fo ma ko nana nan finance system saka rate of dependency akola siandi dini woni mba mo nyol jere wolbe karankan adamanta karangala so ngo jele ko mi anan ko be dini woni na right list kan from education but also kaje ko na hata fo afanan ke bayata ata ku kelo na fo e katon amasoto bari ado dol fanan bijele min yalon ko min yalon ko sate dol fanan kake bara buka keja anunda bi mi fama be sere nyam man ado dol long so mele fele atol para yan ko ne maybe alla different communities are sifanya le bi mi yalon ko ikake so I don't know fajo ya tale fama njo ya maybe molia for 1 or 2 people can just say what kind of tradition level communities so mi yalon ko ka practice ke Ika mungkin? Okay. Okay. Yo. Wala ado di ko di. Yo.
Ninta nganding sambangan simbaya. Ayakuyang. Ma fancy. Abi sukilale. Mumba sukila yelo men ka jije. Ni aje ngoke jamano la silang la yemulala. Solo bena kumula. Ni mamuso suki. Nafro de kema. Aba sunguti atarale. Barni yamuso suki. Nafro de kema. Ate possible la masamba ni moya. Mumbo kosla ninganding sunna masamba kamurun ate possible la abe futala kemo fe asambe yadada bebe na ado le kono mundu ngono jamanu la sila sunguti wana sunguti abedi kesa ta ala manfuta muru muso ngansima anzimbama barnabe sukiri ate possible la manta nganzimbaya koma ya sama leptani ya operation iko muna mu adot ni yaji be nga adol sotole adol dol bije mel kam mantora anin adol dol bije mel bu kam mantora ngam lebe nyinin karo ke kawo ada sifali adol mel kam mantora wala bu nyaka to tat anin dindin futuo katu dindin futuo fada munna adoleti me yalon kake baraka mantoro le sabum wol mu mantorol tinna adol kon bari dol bije mel yalon kon na adol lo bari manke mantora kolti wala maño bitolti nga maño bito tarle mantora kuti foni ngalanda tambo ka kon bari mantora kuti nga futu sitol tarle wol munna adol let mantora kuti fona tarante di landa tambo ka kon bari nga kulli yol fadan tarle nil be munna adol let mel yalon kon keke ayatara mantora kuti je woto nina jibe adol be mulle be siarin mel yalon ko mantoro be dolto mantorol te dot bari ni yaji be baake mantoro be mento nyaka to ta anin dindim futuo wol bemu mantorot anin diya ku ya futuo ibemu mantorol ti na adol kon abaraka baake
siftori do ko aadaji tati ay aada goto mom siftori mo haalani ko dum woni geew sipiro on ko aada nyoboro ay dimmo fele mi anda no be witan fele honti traditional honti yes aha demo ongala ko aada tadwano ko woni serseta wala tesito sit ari ha golle gasi yimbe hawra fitta sare mabbe halaba fi tabentinde cellale senare dum gala ko aada ko dimi siftori di haalani assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
alaikum misiki ko lamdo to don do ko woni aada fogna lan ngene may lacca moy lan moy aada ko dum woni ko tawden mammenen he mamira e mammenen hebe mbada ko dum woni aada enen fo heden gandi aadaji men di wonadi goti aada fulbe aada sebbe wona gotum a kanyum aada jolfu e fo no leji di certiri ni onon aadaji men di fo certiri andi enen eden konko e mbita ko do nalle enen fulɓe ko en tawɓe mammen enen ɗum mbaɗa kono hannde noon en ngari haa en nganndi wondema afen waggol nalle ɗum moƴƴaani kono folo en nganndano ɗum fulɓe seɓɓe fof mbaɗatno ɗum kono hannde noon en jannginaama haa en tawi wondema nalle koko tampinta ɗum taki enen fof heɗen dari wondema yo nalle ngacce eyo ko ɗum kemnomi hen dal ko ɓeydumi
ok assalamu aleykum
wag mooy am nga ñun yëpp am nañ ne aada yi duñ benn aada pël yi ak aada olof yi ak soose yëpp nekkuñ benn ku nekk ak seen aada waaye ñun yëpp xam nañ ne pour yóbbu xale jigéen yi ci àll bi moo nekkoon suñ aada ñun pël yi waaye léegi xam nañ ne loolu baaxut waaye first time dañ ko daan def de waa dëgg yàlla waaye time boobu xamuñoon ne loolu baaxut
So I'm not just normally. Please. So then for adult, what next for farm the money? And I'm not going to go. Nico Banco adult. And this is a family of family adults. Many family adults. But for that course, the world. It's not so. Without the left to adult, when this adult cannot go the adult was killing. It was not matter the series that was a world. Once you go for farm, so when they go adult, the man, it was not somebody that was a no one in Yanka Bala, the Liman Bala, who let the Raya Coma. Mando Wago, near adult also, so you can saddle. In the quarter manner, it's a man so no one. It's a one hour. So once you add on the wallet, then tomorrow you got an expensive family adult. The man is a quarter million. Kill parasite, kill mansion of the it's a family that's the good. What is it? And you want the quarter manner. Many times when you put down quality, it's a man so low. You put down quality, it's a body wallet, and you get a quarter. So if you come on, get wrong, if I don't go, this is how we never get cooler. It's not cooler for I don't need, you get a quarter, never get cooler. No one say, it's not over. If any people are so many, Usola, people are Usola, and the whole time they don't say what kind of okay, so to land of them, as you know, you can't make for this other Kenya, and Kenya, and Kenya. So don't have the Kenya, put a drum, and they can. Musoro kama ni kile kilia aneka alukia ndo ngajo mambo akamando kwa sababu inakoka wote ndio mbiro wala kukendosi mambo kama kuna mtu kama hapo kukendosi bali kwa kata mega kisikisoro na kata kwa ile hapo na menda kwa wala bande na mambo ndio sai so wala kata na ajeko on so fara fara no la ngota kay ya lonko ani ade matoro ke matoro tarla ki parce que ado de be da ko rawo alla famman mo da ko men wore ndronko na alma no so roga na moy dola na nyonso c'est quoi le sénat de nyoma et pas le vedane ani awon ko bari wala social do fana do france kare ko fana do de men de wala wala si o foje na nyonso sa ni de fi do jando mais que kala ni kenno non me ya ko ye ko na ba ta na nyoda na nyonso ko do na
mayri mbe aado le nyinin kakan ni ya fuko musubute o manki adati bari ni nata nun to aado kono doron aketa nun aado tile bos nga jamaje dindi wala muntina bari nga jamaje inin kewse kuya ye bute itata le sabu ko e foyde malon ko ni ke ma ye bute o mu arjana yarolati o sidun dino arjana le par ndam ni man ko kendo bara futu mo kon yaro sedun dino jeba kewdo ye muso bute amma bute dalila de akanyine mo yala alfa la ko arjana yarole mu ni ka muso bute asadu dino arjana dole bute ro ke wala kan wala na ta dundi mol kono fa ke tambul adoti ni alon ko amandara kire ni adube ni muso kema banta korda kono yage mol bul adoti num otumo fahamo mawa ya kembul adoti muso karanal bijele meno ya arkurano me nte malon kamoy iko sariya to muso manke mola kewoti ite ya nyinin ne sunna nin far ite bodaje sila mola musunte na e furia ya kaya bang momo sa nyinin non ala faka futu me bari ya tembulu adotile ike ma do ko be jele ike ma ko to be jele andu wotu mo wolmete ni la dimbal fele fenti wotu mo wolmete mo da fenti bari bi nga banta ina da loy ko hani futu ke ma badi moliye kana finti banta iti wala ko kam teninde ina da alamte ko di wala ko kan iborda bole bula da sumuna kono idani ko sobe sallan sai ko ka kana bada mai ta da bula toro ko amma sun fenna iko ado wala tinna jama nin tilbati non kono kafu mole ko ado le yatina mol bebe jakallin ketana anu ado le mu bari adam mu amandara sariyanto amandara bible to bari mol la tarakulu kafu nyoy ni ne keta ni ne nyanda ni ne tol batan asi yakatuna piamu
ba pare amna question pour yi ñun adala si olof suñ la mouré yow jigen bi nga wara sey si sa goro because sa goro nga wacha sa goro suñ ko muruté dula deka kenen kuñ mur mo la deka ba pare sa goro so ñëwé da fay tiyé loxo bi tek ko ci bunta bi yow nga bëta ko boy gëna sa kër yaay sa yaay bu nekké né dafa seyon mu fay do ko buta kenen nañoo o mu buta ko seet bi dem ci ronam li yépp aada la waaye man dama foog ne yaay bi nga xam ne mooy jur doomam yar doomam ba mag ba mu nekk ba keneen gis ko bugga ko respect la pour man respect la pour nga jaar sa ron yaay because da ngay delloo sa yaay njukkal waaye because sa yaay dafa musa fay keneen la ñoo o mu ñoo jël crédit boobu and that's loolu aada la si ñun waaye façon aada boobu noonu wax dëgg xam naa ne dañoo discourage pour bul fay that's the objective pour nga sëy bul fay waaye léegi-léegi yenn sëy yaa ngi cee nekk foog nga fay because dafa amiti foog rek nga dem uti ndimbal fay du ne da nga réew nga dem waaye da ngay uti ndimbal pour ñu wax si xëj na pour mu dellusiwaat soo wax dëgg su nekkee ne sa doom dem na ba toolu sëy mu war a dem man pour man daal xaste la waaw xaste bu métti la si yaay bi because dañoo ñu ko ku xamut sa history sëy daa génne that's another thing waaye maa ngi bëgg a laaj naka la tur bi question Binta Cissé Binta mu ne fata bi si mbiri fata bi laa bëgg a ñëw ñu waxtaan
Ako suko men kacha. Ye suko men na umo fo jam. Apa lafta ni yow rek kacha la
waaw ci waxtu bi ñoo fata am na métit ndax du métit ang fa déglu rek déglu ma laajte question rek dañoo waxtaan dégul okay what I want to ask is that in the process of the ceiling
Yes. Do you want?
Akita based on the society or the community we are ibe sabatin damini. Like adult man killing, but there are adult dolbeje abem killing in general. Like manota pullo and indol. But dolbeje mi alongo asukta nindola amount for others. I will take an example from us the flats here. Being for the but adult dolbeje in toloka kile. Not all flats do it. That is many people might know it. That's what we call as Keba Sunday. When you are getting married, they will take you to the bush and they will say it's a culture. They will go and okay? As serious tale. Don't be ni benal fan you have to go. Because you cannot work. We believe that adolim. And in our society, nimoma market. They will see you as a coward. You cannot even have a say in the mix of your men, certain places. Even this one making from kake, ibuka keno. But there are some plus me along, they are not doing it. But need this one making keda. Those people don't be part of it. But at Allah society kono. If you are not ni market, you are not going to have any say on that. So culture depends on the places or the society that you come from. And then now also.
Ko ila ado ko ni nata muso nyini je jani be muso nyin sambala e ka kunkole di la ya foye ko yeje ke kodi maybe wo mo wol fan sun kola de jola dol kono angal la moy ñola say jola dol fanan kono bije min ya lon ko wol ni sasa to so do mi ya lon ko ite be mararin sasa to nyine ba jaraka ni wota da fo alayata ika fole ko preta yeku ibe sambala lela sata do yemurunje yeku ndola ado bo wala nyama ni tata ni meku wala imam boro dira yemi ika kura na ndibe kura na foyefa wana onkol nyunde ya fo janko wol ado bi jele minalon ko ni make fenne kaneka modo bi jele minalon ko man layla bar ni man lala mala nga ka nyami fo ake itolle yala ka nyami bar nka dol jele minalon ko ikana sasa ko no foy se murundi kata ke samba sata ni ko kata ke jara believe them mi alon ko yasto wol be mu adolti anu aka fatale jolal kono hani man ngol fana aka fate kono tribal marks to wala musol minial mol minialon ko am nimba ka musol na mala ke wol fana ka kele most especially Nigeria Ghana wala ka jama ko mol dile domandin na mala katere bari bita adla doldo wala iyo ibita ala dolto aka siya ba kele mo nyaara bala bar sainten fo ngabe talakan yena yaaje ni no imaje bere kando e bole takanten pour ka dinni woni sunjo murundi move to the next one o follow mi mbejan yaaje be ke ko waldi kan dinni woni ni tata murtani wala Sudan dinni wona be certain age maybe 5 years jama is either fa batara la ko ral kono bari dolbi je Sudan ngamin grid e ke cikale ke samad la doldo ke ko e ko wala dila wala ka domoro di la polisaje e balole men juna se futundino juna anu nim fana ko mi alan ko akadeni ngol mantorale nana tay la jata kende ala bunnato yena na nyin noto ate timiso aba wala ten ni no kata dini ngol la futu juno bari ono kilim fana bije mi alan ko ngafo mamira sake Gambia bari ni tata sate dolto wal ka kele ono kilim bayri yana jama kanyim min ke ka fo child marriage wala fenko nko leftale ka
Mansata Fatiyede mota Nyamina is board member Umar Touré baraka baade nakumaya ngam len jeje ngaje ko akacha bida kan nyami anin molde fahamu roke kan ko ko nyami kadu ngaje ko koko nin almansi aliya kacha buka ñoo fahamu bar ni ngal sida koko kunno aliya kacha molu ka ñoo fahamu walantin na kani no mitin sifal kumali ka molu sindi ke fahamu be kacha ñoya de fahamu ro ke be ñami ngala kumaya jo ñama fani ya maro soro wodo wala mi di bayri momo nde mbet exemple otalam fangola bayri mbota dani mbota siara Saudi. Saya ini nada, momo mo jamale be o tundo kan. Dum kumanda banko la fuse banko kan. Fonna sare o fango. Mo jamale be ji bari yente kiline tombo pour ka min place o dina. Adu yente fanan kumande pour ngana ngana lamoy min kuma kan. Ngala kuma nyame ni mari tara isimul kacha nyoyale ini be ñoo fahamu la ñaani amanti ñim fanandi ko ye eta ko le do ngamiti no lo kumandi alnana aliyene danfu ati o jamaaji je sayo ka ke mo la problème balé yo bare eta do kordala kono ido kabiro le kono ido saade le kono ido tungol le kan ita tara dawoda nin aya traye mo de traje isi kacha ñoya kadunte nin atra nin mitino alnanga kacha ninga kole yata mo baade hani banta baɗon kataji kasi kewol temalen mo kacaje mi yalon ko ngakki baro letana o kewol ɗon bije no woltata nini la dimbalɓe siri ike kacañoyade anin ni tata iɗo kordale kono idigol ban o tundo dindigol han dindigol min yaale man fenji e kacañoya ye probléme o ni sade ndara ñina kaca ka ɗum dindigo kata ñami hakkilo kam men wona ñama aɗum nayi ko ɗol bulandi a sonno mo kono anina wala bare kana ke mode mi yalla ni bota jandro ita yedde kibaro kan ni sida kan baro buka janja bar ni yalla lankene ma aka janjanne adu ngata anyanta lankene ma molle fanali miliyalo ko ni tata ite de lafi kibaro miliyalo e ka janjanne yo adu be nyum fanam fola je comme be kibaro di la mil fanalla anyanta kala molle miliyalo ko ite molu jikila tendila ko mo kono karni kibaro dila adu mo jamala nyaabe lori tan ni o kibaro dila ni tara altara mitino la altara mo mitin dara nyin eji en mo mitin ni endel kumandala le barande o kay ni min bakele yaati sa ni woli yo moyi test etela woli be kala nyaadi le miliyalon ko be den no male mili nyante la moy le ni be kibaro dila anyanta ka kibare senolati adu anyanta kala kibaro le fanande mi yalon ko mol be nafa lala bari ka kibaro ta ne kibaro ta ina tata mol be la moy letela yemol jigila tenni akono problème balete aduna ka temol la sayin ko mol ka mol nasini baga kibaro kono femman da sajo ndela jeroro mon fengi folo mi yalo desa komin dal ndebe même folé yenna plateforme yengi londo yemma ko ya kono fanundi karum ni de londo dila mola manke amanyan naka pasi mbedel fanan danila e sikarin karandi dorom nyinna dorom yen karandi al dorom bayri karawo kar siwosi ika kuma kutale tombo ndi nin min bida asatara londo do be bulu bari ka kuma dole moy je ko take min wala ba kuta yandile anin ni lefta nyina la kuola kibaro la ni e kuma ko take e karandi ala e hakilo katara nyinga ngoye ndo ko kuta yande kan me danila wala adum be jayla fanan be tendula ko mi ka londo min bi musol la ka dunya jibe baage musol be ko ma baakele dunya jibe min dimbayalam musol la ka dimba control baage yo musol fanan ni nga kibaro to ngonjang nyanda nga janjang ngana si kibaro kan ani mol ka kan nyinen kan ka fo ko ye wala fo de e ko mol ya bula bare du kara min baakela ake adu yete kilna wala nim moli ibe moli nyaato kana kuma fo mi yalo ka be discord la bayri ni aketa ko min adole mo bari ada memmo ada bambandin ka kembul luwalet ado dol bije wol bambandangul bakele bar kacha mini mol ka kacha kadu nyin nundo moli amuta bakele bar sai kacha ya tinna mol be falin kan ko nyin kono ngata kono nyami nga falina kono wala be jailam be tendula ila kebara nyin ma
I am Boubacar Diallo, Nova Scotia Gambia Association. NSG. Yeah, it's great to take part in this training because we are learning a lot about some of these issues that are affecting our young people in the community, particularly women and girls. So it's great being part of such a program. Yeah. What I love about the training, basically their mode of selection was perfect because they selected people from different organizations and background, which I believe they will go back to the communities to discuss with the people about what they've learned, and this will go a long way in helping people overcome some of the challenges that are faced by women and girls. So basically the training, the advocacy and everything will change the narrative of the people when it comes to FGM and how they react to it. Yeah. The key advice that I have is what we've learned here, let us go and teach others. Let us go and talk to people because the people need this information. We are here on behalf of people. Let us go back, talk to those people, what we've learned, and see how best we're going to change the narrative. If I am to say anything about the program, it's perfect, and I believe having these programs would create more knowledge and enlightenment of the people so that we can at least be familiar with some of the practices that are happening and some of the laws in place that are there to stop this practice. So basically it's a very good program, and having it more often will help a lot because it really is adding up to our advocacy, and then we just continue doing it, and then, it's a very good program, and it's like we've learned a lot, and I hope we will go back to our people and then share the information and sensitize them. Thank you so much.
And women leaders as well. And I'm also Alcalo as well on the issue. So this is not the first time that we engage people of URR, but of course with the consultation after the repeal, I can say that this is the first time after the repeal was rejected by Parliament and the law stands. So we deem it necessary to come back to the people and to discuss with them, to have a dialogue with them on the issue of enforcing the law, respect as well as protecting women and girls. Because the law is a protective mechanism against harmful traditional practices that are made to young women and girls as well. I think first and foremost, you're right by saying that it's very difficult to change the mindset of people. But I think with discussion like this, open discussion like this, we will be able to achieve the objectives that are there towards this project. Now, the challenges we normally face when we are doing such, one is finance, because it is very difficult to mobilize what it takes. You have to mobilize people, but also you have to bring people out of their houses and then the discussion. Now, FGM is a very sensitive issue. Even in open discussion like this, some people will know what to talk. That is one challenge that we normally face because it is attributed to religion. And most people, especially when you have men and women, young boys, young girls together, and with elderly women and elderly men,
by virtue of our sociocultural norms and beliefs, it is always difficult for people to talk about issues that concern sexual organs, but also that concern sex as well. So this is a major challenge that we face. But as I said, a law is in place, and as a people, we need to discuss, we need to dialogue, and some of these challenges we overcome by opening the space for everybody and give everybody a chance to talk about what you really think, what you really feel. And I think it is important, because it is only when we talk then we will be able. First of this activity today is International Idea, but also we have other funders as well, such as the UNDP, who funded the Constitution Amendment Bill that we embarked on last year to include women in political participation and representation. And I'm calling on all other NGOs who are intervening in this area to keep the sensitization going, so that the awareness level is upgraded to another level, so that people understand the consequences and all the challenges that women face, especially when it comes to gender-based violence, because FGM is an element of gender-based violence. And take it to communities and sensitize others, because they are the ones who are chosen, and they have the opportunity to receive knowledge from here, and also share their own knowledge, because there is local knowledge, rich local knowledge within people living in communities, so that at least we can have an environment in the Gambia that is free from all sorts of violence for women and girls and other vulnerable groups, such as people living with disabilities, because these are all people that are exposed and that are very vulnerable to violence in general. So we would like them to go back and share the knowledge that they have here and talk to others, because it is only through knowledge that we can have the power to challenge certain obstacles. Thank you.
Thank you.